Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add Blogger to Google Search Console. It's an easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your blogger.com, and this is the blog which I am going to add on my Google Search Console. Once you open your blogger.com, go to New tab and search for Google Search Console and click on Start New. After that, you will see something like this if you haven't added any other website on Google Search Console. So we are going to enter our URL of our blog. So go back to blog.com, open your blog, and here at the top you just need to copy this and paste that over here. Once you paste that and click on continue, you will see something like this. Ownership auto verified, go to property, and you will end up over here. This is the best way to add Blogger to Google Search Console. It's that easy, but we need to add also sitemaps. So on the left side of the menu, you will see sitemaps over here. Just click on this, and here we are going to enter sitemap.xml. After that, just click on submit. So as you can see, sitemap submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong in the future. Click on got it. After that, you will see that your sitemap has been added over here, and there is only one page in my blog, so that's why it's showing only one. And if you have multiple, you will see multiple also over here, and obviously videos. So once you've done all of that, you can just go back to overview and click on this search console inside, and it will open up a new window over here like this. And here you can see performance on Google, every single thing like clicks from Google search and your growing content, your most popular content, everything related to your blog will be over here. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add Blogger to Search Console. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.